the word Osaka, you will picture a huge metropolis, the busy streets of Dotonbori, the thrilling rides in Universal Studios, and of course, the majestic Osaka Castle. Osaka itself is not well known for its nature, so some tourists miss out on this hotspot and head to Kyoto or Nara instead. Today we are here at the Minao Waterfalls. Osaka Hidden Gem's beautiful scenery changes with each season. The trail to the waterfalls starts from Hankyu Minoi Station, which is less than 30 minutes train ride from downtown Osaka. Minao Park is worth visiting any time of the year, but the best time to come is during autumn, when you can see a huge display of red and golden maple leaves. From the station to the waterfall, it will take you around 45 minutes of approximately 3 kilometers of gently inclined path. At the beginning of the walk are numerous shops that sell souvenirs and foods like dotoyaki and mitarashi dango. But Minao's specialty is an interesting snack called momiji tempura, maple leaves deep fried in butter. Along the trail, you will come across the stunning Ryuwanji Temple, the spiritual birthplace of what we now call the lottery. So you can come here and pray for your luck on your next play. For insect lovers, there is also the Minao Park Insect Pavilion, a small museum that displays over 6,000 types of creepy crawlies from the Osaka forest and elsewhere in Japan. Before you know it, you'll hear the sound of water falling from the waterfall. Near the base of the waterfall, there are more shops and benches that have been set out, so you can sit and eat right next to the waterfall while admiring the landscape. It is an astonishing scenery that changes every season. If you have time for a great side trip from central Osaka, don't miss the chance to take a break from the city's tumult and spend a day or two at Minao Waterfalls. Giselle and join me again next time as we go see Japan.